Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You're starting now? Check that your phone and carrier both support 5G so the rest is meaningful. Once done, verify your plan includes 5G and request the upgrade if needed. Carriers often flip a flag on your account. Make sure you have your SIM tray tool or eSIM activation QR and a quick backup of contacts. Then go to Settings to locate carrier or mobile plans and be ready to insert the SIM or scan the eSIM QR to begin activation. Once the SIM is in or the eSIM QR is scanned, your device should prompt to install carrier settings. Accept and restart if asked. Make sure your phone OS is up to date because modem firmware updates enable 5G performance. If data or registration fails, check APN values under mobile network settings and correct them to carrier specs. If you still see 4G, use the carrier app or call support so they can push the 5G profile to your account and reprovision the SIM. You should now see a 5G indicator. Run a quick speed test to verify throughput and move toward a window or outdoor spot for better signal. Make sure network mode is set to 5G/4G automatic so your phone switches intelligently. If you don't get 5G, reset network settings to clear stale profiles, try a fresh SIM swap, and reboot. One key troubleshooting tip: if reset fails, ask your carrier to verify tower provisioning and SIM activation. They often resolve unseen.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.